What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. And guys, today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make this cloud light right here. Guys, come on, tell me this does not look hard. Alright, it looks pretty damn hard. It might give up a little bit of a sus kind of vibe, right? But like once you like, you know, you in shorty, right? She ain't gonna be questioned. So guys, if you are just like me, you probably stumbled on this video because you were on TikTok and saw this wall cloud light trend. And then you thought, bruh, how the hell do I make this? Well, your boy Gewie about to show you. Not only am I gonna show you guys the TikTok that I made that shows you how to make this, I'm also gonna be filling the one I have over here up with some more Poly-Fil just to fill it up and make it look a little bit more cool. You guys have been with me from the start. You guys have seen my channel come a long way. Also me, and also my studio, which is also my room, you know, where I do all my fapping and shit. You guys have been with me from the start. You guys have seen my room completely transformed. Like, we've painted the walls, we've gotten a new desk, we've gotten a new bed, we've gotten a new everything. My setup has completely changed. Like, guys, let's take a look. Do you guys see that? Like, come on. Like, bruh. As you guys saw, my setup was trash. But guys, as you can see, I've been working on my setup since then. And look, I think adding this wall cloud light thing was probably one of the coolest things I've added to my room since. I just want to thank TikTok for like being a thing and like actually putting me on with this, because this came out pretty awesome. I'm not even gonna lie. Guys, I don't even want you to be scared. Look, I suck at arts and crafts. I'm terrible at that shit. But this thing only took me about 2.5 hours, really. All I really needed to do this, guys, was LED lights, poster boards, hot glue, Poly-Fil, and mounting tape. It was really that simple. 5 things, 5 steps to get this done, and it only took me like, what, 2.5 hours. I'll show you the steps on how to make this cloud wall light thing. I would like you guys to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for more lit content like this. I also post vlogs, pranks, and I have a reaction channel too, so you can find a link to that in the description below. I'm gonna be grinding like crazy all 2021, so if you're trying to support this, hit that subscribe button. Enough of me talking though, I'm gonna show you the TikTok that I made that shows you how to make this. But guys, that's it. It's really that simple. In that video, I only used 2 bags of Poly-Fil. Today, y'all, I got us a third one. As you guys can see, it might not look like it in the TikTok, but there is some empty space in this cloud light. You see some of the LEDs right here. I want to add another bag of Poly-Fil on top of that to see how cool it would look if I really fill this thing up. Because I don't want to see those LEDs, and I don't think you guys want to see that either. So I'm gonna be using 3 bags of Poly-Fil on 6 poster boards to get the exact look I have going on at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Let's see how it's gonna look. Boom, doom, boom, doom. Guys, I just spent the last 30 minutes adding the Poly-Fil back, and in my opinion, it looks way cooler now. It actually looks like a cloud in person. It looks way more fluffy, and I like that I cannot see any more of the LED strips that I used to see before. It definitely hit the cloud wall light I was going for, so if you guys want it to look just like this, I say use 3 bags of Poly-Fil on the 6 poster boards, and it's gonna look freaking insane, y'all. So guys, if you did enjoy today's video, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel and mess with content like this and want to want to support your boy, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. I'm gonna be uploading on this channel like crazy. And guys, don't forget, I do have a reaction channel. Guys, if you have any other questions on this cloud light, you guys can ask them down below in the comments, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram. You can find the link to that in the description below. I will respond as soon as I can, and I don't even mind having a conversation. So with all that said, it's your boy, it's your man, it's Gewie, and I'm going out.